Hey, how y'all doing today? I'm going to show you all how to cut a pair of jeans properly to make them cut off shorts, which I love. So this pair of jeans, they're brand new, and I bought them because the reason I really like these jeans, I bought them because I love this detail, this braided detail on the waistline, but I don't love the wide leg. So I'm going to make them into cutoff shorts because it's too hot to wear jeans anyway. So, but they're a nice pair of jeans. If you like the bell bottom look, the wide leg look, by all means. But I preferably don't. But I love the detail of these jeans. I love the front pockets in the front, the back pockets, and I love the braided waistline. So, what we're going to do is we're going to, so I want them kind of long. It's about right, maybe in the crease right here. A little above that. So about right here. Okay. So what I'm going to do is puncture a hole. I'm going to kind of like cut. Make a cut. That's my landmark. So that's where I know I'm going to cut straight across. So I'll take the first leg and just start cutting. And just do a straight line, straight across. Very simple. Okay, just like that. Then, as you can see, this piece here evens up with the cut that you made on the other leg. So then you just follow along that line. So then when you're finished, you've got something that looks like this. And so when you wash them, they will fray. This will all fray at the bottom. And then you'll have a nice little pair of cut-off shorts. And that's how you do it. Hope y'all enjoyed this, and thanks for watching.